The Dow Jones Industrial Average, otherwise known as the Dow, tracks 30 large blue chip stocks. The Dow was founded by Edward Jones and Charles Dow in 1896, so like a really long time ago. And going back to what a blue chip stock is, in poker, the blue chips are worth the most.
Pause for clarification. The blue chip is the highest valued in a traditional 3-chip red, white, and blue game. Currently, the highest is the brown chip at $5,000, but brown chip stock doesn't quite have the same ring to it.
Some people view these stocks as being like a blue chip. They're worth a lot, meaning that over time they have shown to weather all of the volatility of the market, and they have a long history. All you need to know is that the Dow, combined with the S&P and the NASDAQ, help form a really great overall look of what the US economy is doing because it follows them. Just hear the word index as measurement. We're literally just measuring how the economy is doing based on these 30 companies and how their overall performance in the market is.
If you enjoyed this video, please tap that subscribe button and make sure to like this video.